book on tape of City of Girls, and if anybody has seen that, seen the book, read the book, whatever, there's a moment in it that talks about what rhymes with bastard, and it's a lot of things. Like faster, master, alabaster. And so I think I'm gonna write a song about it that is basically just a song called Bastard. But I'm working on it. It's not there yet. Okay, so what do you guys want to hear? Out of My Tree. Okay, all right, I like it. I think it's a wild one. Does anybody here know that song? It's never been recorded by me. It's only been a live performance thing. Therefore, if you don't know it, you're about to learn it. All right. So that nobody in the audience would know what we were going to do later, because back in the day, me and the Nocturnals, we would just sound check in front of everybody. So that was our warm-up song that we would just do to make as much noise as possible without anybody knowing what was going to happen next. So you just witnessed the newest variation of that. All right, let's get serious here. I guess I'm going to do one more sad bastard song on the piano, and then maybe one more lively troublemaker song on the guitar, and then we'll call it a night, okay?